Lakshmi, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. In matrices and calculus, we are going to discuss about in functions of several variables. This topic I chose, that Euler's theorem. So the statement of the Euler's theorem is if f of a function of x comma y is a homogeneous function that of degree n, then can write it as x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y equal to nf. So to get this degree, we can go for the homogeneous function definition. So for the homogeneous function means the homogeneous function of degree n, then it satisfies this condition. So function of tx comma ty which is equal to t power n into f of x comma y. Using these two conditions, we are going to prove this Euler's theorem. So I choose to answer prove x into dou by dou x plus y into dou by dou x dou y equal to sin 2u by using Euler's theorem where u value is given. Okay, so we can choose it now. So first take the given. So what is given? A function of x comma y is given in terms of x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y, that is u equal to this term, right? So take this tan to the left hand side, then it becomes tan u. So tan u equal to x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y. So this is noted as equation number 1. So for the first condition, we want to get the degree. So for this degree, you can go for the homogeneous function checking this term. So for the homogeneous condition checking, you can take these two conditions, and for the apply the Euler's theorem, you can choose these two conditions. So one by one we can do it now. So first I am going to derive the homogeneous condition. So f of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y. Instead of this function x and y, we want to replace by tx and ty. So function of tx comma ty, which is equal to t power 3 x power 3 plus t power 3 y power 3 divided by tx minus ty. Take t outside. So t power 3 into x power 3 plus y power 3 divided by t into x minus y. So we can cancel up to the power 2. So we get t power 2 into this term becomes, we can write it as function of x comma y. So we got the result function of tx comma ty. Instead of x and y, we replaced by tx and ty, we got the power n. So n is a n equal to 2, the degree we got. Okay, so n equal to 2. Using this n value, next the homogeneous condition is satisfied. Next we can continue with the, we can solve the Euler's theorem. So what is Euler's theorem? X into dou f divided by dou x plus y into dou f divided by dou y, which is equal to n into f. So x into, instead of f, so instead of f we can replace this function as tan u. Okay, so I am going to replace instead of f as tan u. These two conditions I choose. Dou into dou by dou x of tan u plus y into dou by dou y of tan u, which is equal to n value is 2 into tan u. We replace all the values. Okay, next we can differentiate this term. So differentiate tan u. So differentiating tan u, you get secant square u, and differentiating u will get dou u by dou x plus same thing y into differentiating tan u is secant square u and then u dou u by dou y, which is equal to 2 tan u, and then take secant squared as a common term. So secant square u into x dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y, which is equal to 2 tan u. Next, this alone keep it in the left hand side because we need only these term values only. So this is the conclusion we want to get. The right side is sin 2u you want to get. So remaining we are keeping as it is. So y, which is equal to 2 into tan, we can write it as sin by cos. And take this secant squared u and it will go to the denominator 1 by secant square. That 1 by secant square we can write it as cos square u. So 1 cos we can cancel and the right side will get 2 sin u into cos u. 2 sin u cos u means nothing but that is sin 2u. So the left hand side we are already having x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y. We got the answer as sin 2u. Thank you.